All hail to the Beaufort King. Happy Wednesday evening, everyone. Let's get to this raffle. From my man, Kenneth. Kenny Remka. It is 60 spots. Winner chooses one. Current local time here in New York, 10:27 p.m. Wednesday, September 27th, year of our Lord 2017. Let's go live. Red list. My man, Cody. Up to Grandma. All right, 10 clicks on 10 click. Touchdown wins. Good luck. It's one. 60 items in the list. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, stuttering on 5, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 times. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. 10. Cody. Congratulations. 60 items on the list. Randomized 10 times. Current local time here in New York. 10:28 p.m. Wednesday, September 27th. We have a winner. That winner is Cody Donahue. Congratulations once again. Please message Kenneth with your choice and your information. He'll get that out to you. I'm sure he'll have this up again on Friday morning, so people look out and enjoy the rest of the week.